swerving, twisting raw. Shit, there go the law. Shit, what you do? I hear the corner, got too much to risk it all. Bumping 40, that slap hard, do say smooth.
What's up, fam? It's your boy Thuggish G35, back in the hunt with another video. About to go on ahead and install this here harness bar. Yeah, I gotta stop recording and shit to flip the camera, but I put the oil cooler install on hold because I had a problem with that motherfucker. It was leaking. So we're gonna revisit that another day. But for now, we're gonna put this on the inside for the seat belts. So enough small talk, I'm gonna get straight to it. Yeah, I did this before, but I always forget what size the fucking thing nuts are on here. And right now, the camera seems to be the best light. I think it's this bitch right here. Nope. Need to vacuum this bitch too. Dirty as fuck. Yep, that's it. Take these shoulder belts off. Oh, shit. Ooh, that almost hit my shit. My 12mm listen. Alright. I think that's tightening them. Seem like I've been having bad luck with every last one of my builds. One after the other. Now the motherfuckers say universal fit. But the motherfucker is not universally fitting my shit. So, I hate to say, but fucking buckles in the floor seem like the best option. So we'll see. I don't know what I'm gonna do from here. Should just, you know, it's been like, First the oil cooler, now this shit. Everything fell. Yeah. Spark plugs fell, oil cooler fell, harness bar fell. race car problems. But you know, I ain't even gonna let that get me down. Because at the end of the day, she's still running. All of this is superficial. It's just fucking, this is like the second, third, fourth, fifth night I've been working on this motherfucker. And it fails. Yeah, it's the life of cars. Sometimes it fucks with you. Like I said, at least you're running. Thought this was gonna be a fun build. Not a fun build, but that bitch is in there. Not exactly how I thought it was gonna go, but it's in there. Fucking, that pretty much deleted my back seat, so yeah, no more passengers from here on out. Let me strap up these seat belts and get the fuck out of here. I am beat like a motherfucker. I'm going to go upstairs. I was supposed to go and get me some alcoholic beverage, but I don't even think I want to do that. We'll see how I feel after this build. Probably just go lay down. I love it when that build finally starts to come together. Yes, it took me forever to put that bitch in there, but it's in there. So no more unsafe shoulder straps with your boy. Now you got full safety. Now I gotta vacuum this bitch out, clean her off, get her ready for a car meet. But I'm gonna end this one here, pick up all my garbage, and go lay down. Holla.